Thanks for checking out my free tap dance classes. This dance class video is a recording of the free online tap classes that I teach weekly. This is of an intermediate tap level, but I also teach an extreme beginner tap dance class. You can find the link in the description below too. Also join the Facebook below for details on the free tap dance lessons. If you can't attend the weekly live classes, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can learn to tap dance with the tutorials and live class recordings. I also post contests you can enter to win free private tap dance lessons with me. Happy tapping!
Okay, so I trust that you all have experienced and or you loyally watch my videos so I don't have to go slow. Yeah. Here we go. So we're going to do 7 shuffles to the front, 3, and then 3, 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then to the side, 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah? Easy peasy? Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and switch. Music's in my ears. And 7, and switch. 3, 2, 1, and switch. 3, 2, 1, and switch. 1, and switch. 1, and switch. 7 to your right side. 7, 6, 5, 4, and switch. Remember having balance issues in these shoes. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. Just 1 and switch, 1 and switch, 1 and switch, 1 and switch. Good, now let's do that whole thing. I'm going to take this off. Are you sure you're okay with that?
I am.
Do you want me to go farther away?
No, we're fine.
Do you want to go back there?
No, we're good.
Okay, so now you're going to do it with the heel in between. So I added this tonight. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, heel, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8.
Yeah.
And 1, and 2, and 3. Good, you're here. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6. Now to the side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah, you can't see my upper body when you're on Zoom. 3. 1, and 2, and 3, and switch. 1, and 2, and 3, and just 1. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So what we did last time was 1 and 2 and 3 and like that. What I just did now was and 1 instead of 1 and Yeah? Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do the one where it starts with the stamp or it starts with the leap if you're leap shuffling, and it's 1 and 2, or instead of the heel you could hop 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or you can just do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah? So we're only doing them to the side now. We're not doing the front thing with the stamp and the heel. So to the right, step, shuffle left. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. These shoes are too big. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop, switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and switch. 1 and just 1. 1 and just 1. 1 and just 1. 1 and just 1. So I got new shoes. So those of you that wanted to vote on which ones I choose, if you've been following the Facebook posts, you can't guess because you see. I picked the ugliest, most bland possible because I have a wide foot, and these are a men's 7.
Oh.
Yeah, I have a women's 8.5 at home, and I couldn't even get my foot in it, like, at all. It was really quite bizarre. Okay, now what? It's so cool and weird having a person here.
We are.
I got dressed 3 times because I had to match. I was leaving and my husband's like, "You're wearing that?" I'm like, "Excuse me?" He's like, "Aren't there going to be students there?" I'm like, "Just one." Because you guys can only see my bottoms.
Stand next to you so we can watch her too.
She's hiding. She doesn't want to be seen.
Wow.
I don't want to be on the YouTube video.
Okay, so it's 2 paddles. 1, 2, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, switch. Paddle, paddle, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, switch. So lap, heel, dig, then 3 spank toe steps. Spank toe, step, spank toe, step, spank toe, step. Then you do a heel swivel, heel, step, step, heel, step, step. Or some people would call that like a heel ball change, because you're doing heel, left, right, heel, right, left. Alright, so let's try it again. 2 paddles, spank heel, toe, spank heel, step, switch. Lap, heel, heel, spank toe, step, spank toe, step, toe, step, heel, step, heel, step. 5, 6, ready, and heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, switch. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, flat, heel, so lap, heel, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, heel, swivel, heel, step, step, heel, step, step. So on the heel, dig, swivel thingamabobber, you can make it harder by doing heel, step, spank, step, heel, step, spank, step. Or you could also add another heel on your other foot. I'll do it this way. So you do heel, why am I confused? Heel, toe, heel, spank, step. Heel, toe, heel, spank, step. So instead of just heel, step, you can do heel, toe, heel, spank, step. So it's heel, toe, heel, spank, step, heel, toe, heel, spank, step. Yeah? Does that make sense? Okay. So do it again from the beginning. Paddles, here we get 5, 6, ready, and heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, lap, heel, right. So lap, heel, 3 Ds. Now heel swivel, heel, spank, step. You just do 2 of them. How'd you do with
A
that?
little extra something in my hand, sorry.
Dot, 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 dot. Just these time. Heel, dot, 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 dot. Oops, I messed that one up. So it's heel, toe, spank, toe. Step, left. Good. And then for my friends who would like to be more challenged, Allison shaking her head, no. You can do that. So it's a scuff. So it's a brush at the toe and a scuff at the heel and then put it down. So if you want to just do that and forget the other stuff. Oh, see, I missed the sound in these stupid new shoes. I don't like change. I'm not getting a good sound there. Or yeah.